Omukoro gwokusima kw'enganzi ihanga Ruben Nabanja gwatandika n'ekitambo kya misa ekyayebemberwa ishabareberezi w'itware rya Kampala Paulo Semogolere hamwe n'abanyadini abandi abari Bishop wa Bunyoro Kitala Jacob atwirweho.
As a religious leader, I remind you that the church must form leaders who carry the cross, not merely the title. Our politicians, our civil servants, our judges, educators, our military officers, and every worker must be taught that faith is not private, it is public truth.
I want to thank God for the commendable work she's doing as Prime Minister of this country. And it's really right and fitting to have such a day when she comes to say, "Thank you, Lord, for the far you have brought me."
President Museveni owabari omujenyi mukuru yabanza okurambura famu y'enganzi ihanga eyakakumiro Model Farm hamwe no kuyigura ekyombeko ekyakakumiro Classic Hotel.
Yes. Kaguta Museveni. And still the official commissioning goes on. Hotel Classic Kakumiro was officially opened. It was a chorus.
Bwanyuma President Museveni yahika aha mukoro ogwahindira aha kishayi kya Mpasana omu district ya Kakumiro hagati y'amashemerwa n'akari kamani omukoro gwo mu bantu abasiba bamurinzire.
Somese abantu banyu kukurugo mbona mfoke tokirora elizo semereme njarire Nabanja nasanga akatandika katolera ya togire Nabanja tawagamira mukuru hikina mfoke tokirora Nabanja habi kutele project there.
Nabanja yagerageranisa Museveni na Ruhanga ahabo kushanga yamuhindurira omuntu w'amani obu yamuha obw'enganzi y'ihanga.
I can say that all that I have is because of you. Ninyo wakufura Prime Minister kubo mwakaza muzeyi mwebale nicho kweteire kweje tusinga kama Ruhanga mwebale. The president can make anybody become the president here. Apart from God, you are next to God. Kuteleo mungaro yusima. Amazi muzei kuyani ngenda kutura kukwase mbere imwe. Muzei omwiko tuwapaire, utandika timu chali arakisi, tuine vitukari tukora. Hili mutikozire, kuituka, uwiyo utukabaturi anda Chibale district. Ni kusimoka tuwa Kakumiro district.
Amira Chintu Gawani Korora kuna Benjamin Warora kawa kansala Murumbani Anyuma na mfora RDC Anyuma na mfora Minister of State Awa Muhamira Hachifsha NLM
President yagira ngo bitu obugigato burije okubaho polisi yagumanere kura abashuma nuko kubashaba kucwa omuzogwe.
Ndebo musango wawe yaho. Mbarize police bond. Niyo mbarize.
Following your directive, whoever is involved in the theft of as far as PDM program is concerned, we don't give bond. We investigate and we make sure that these people appear in court, sir.
Kata ato umusigazi umusango kariro kostati bonsi.
Yahache ya manu wa Mpasana milioni 6 okugura pichipichi. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.